How to set screen flash color unique for each apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here. So click on accessibility. Now here, so scroll down and click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, so scroll down and click on flash notification. So after click on flash notification, so you will see screen flash notification is here. So first of all, turn on screen flash notification. So after turn on screen flash notification. So select selected apps and click on all apps. So you will select apps from here and you will select color from here and click on all apps. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set screen flash color unique for each apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.